Let me show you how to install your WordPress sites on a site manager that's going to take care of updates, backups, site health, and much more from one single platform. It's called ModularDS, and I'm going to show you how to install your website right now. Hey, what's up everyone? My name is George and this is ModularDS. Right now it's a lifetime deal and the price is going to jump in a few days. So definitely check it out. The idea of ModularDS is to install all your WordPress websites in this platform. So from one single platform, you'll be able to do updates, your themes, your plugins, do backups, site health, uptime monitoring, all from this platform without having to jump into every single one of these websites every single time that you want to do these things. So this is a special deal when you have several websites or you're managing sites for clients, all right? So check out that deal. Now, in this case, as I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how to install your WordPress site here from two ways that you have available here to install your website. So I'm going to make it really easy for you, all right? Before we get started, let me show the sponsor for this video, which is Hostinger. So if you plan to grab a hosting plan, do check them out. That link we provided in the description. They have several affordable plans for your WordPress sites to get installed here, right? So they got a premium, business, and cloud startup plan. In this case, I'm gonna show you the business plan, which is $349 a month, but I'm gonna show you how to apply an extra discount with my coupon code, right? Now, the first thing that Hostinger is going to ask you is how many months do you want to pay in advance? I recommend 48 months because you lock in the lowest price, lowest renewal price, and you'll be good to go for 4 years with that payment, right? So this is the current price, $167.52. But if you add my coupon code here, SAASMASTER, and apply it, the price is gonna drop to $150.77. That's for 4 years paid off in that popular plan. So definitely check it out, right? Okay, so let's jump into ModularDS. And this is my WordPress site where we are going to install it, all right? So the first thing you wanna do is go into add a website. You wanna add your website link. In this case, I am using a subdomain for testing purposes, but you would be able to add your main domain, all right? So website name, I'll just say test1. It's tied to my team. Let's continue. It's gonna read a few details, and then I'm gonna be able to add my link right here. So right now, the default link is wp-admin, but if you modify the login link, you wanna use the updated link, all right? In this case, this is the default one. And then what you wanna do is, in my personal opinion, is create a user for this purpose, right? This is one of the ways that you're gonna be able to install it, so be aware. So I'm gonna go into users. I am going to add a new user. Here we go, and I'm just gonna say developer2. I'm gonna use this password right now. Let's go ahead and set it to admin. Let's go ahead and add the email really quickly, and I'll just do that there, right? Let's go ahead and save this. Here we go. We have the user. Let's go back to ModularDS, developer2. Here we go. Add the password I've just created, and let's connect. So that's one of the ways that you can connect to ModularDS. You have an example. It's just super easy, right? Let's get a few seconds. Should be ready. Here we go. The website is now connected. Let's go to the dashboard. And we're now able to use ModularDS with all their features. You got backups, uptime monitoring, the reports, etc. All available right here, right? I am going to delete this website because now I'm going to add it the other way, right? Because I wanted to show you the two ways that you can do this. So again, let's go into website, add the link right here, site name, I can say test2, just so it doesn't interfere with the other one. And this time we are going to do the manual way. So we want to use the public key and private key. So what we need to do is install this plugin. I can download it here, or I can go straight to WordPress, go to plugins, add new, and I'm going to search for ModularDS. Here we go. And it's already active here. So let's go into our plugins. All right, here we go. I'm going to go to connection manager. And I'm gonna add the key, all right? So let's go ahead and copy this key. There we go. Let's go ahead and add the private key. Copy this, and let's paste it here and update. Here we go. It's now updated. So what we want to do over here is connect, right? So now instead of using a user to connect, you're doing it via the plugin. So if you don't want to provide a user and password, this is the other workaround, right? Let's go into dashboard, and again, we have access to everything. Now, if you ask me, my personal opinion, I would rather not use a plugin and create a user for this purpose, because that means it's one less plugin that's going to be installed here or visible here, especially if you don't have, for example, on the lifetime deal that you're going to be able to grab. link provided in the description, you don't get the white label on tier 1 and 2 for the plugin. So you can avoid just using the plugin by creating a username and logging in that way. But if you want to use strictly the plugin and you want to use it for clients, you can go jump into the white label options, which is tier 3, 4, and 5, right? So do consider ModularDS, which is on a lifetime deal right now, and the price is going to increase in a few days. So definitely check it out. They have a 60-day money back guarantee. In case you don't like it, you can go ahead and refund it, all right? And if you plan to grab a hosting plan on Hostinger, don't forget to use my coupon code, all right? And that is a wrap for ModularDS on how to install your WordPress site.